What happens when assets imported are duplicate or updated? Great question. So when you're actually importing, there's a little checkbox next to it that says something like source of, not source of truth, but it's like the mapping key, I think is what it's called. And that's what's going to be checking if something is unique or not. If it has a duplicate value, for example, if you have an asset called laptop 001 and you're importing an asset called laptop 001, if you have the name selected as the key, it's not going to create a duplicate. It's going to update the existing version with whatever information you're updating in or importing in. And basically, what happens is if you don't have that as the key, it's just going to create duplicates. So, whatever unique value, like a serial number or whatever it is you have inside of your asset schema, you're going to want to make sure to set that box when doing your CSV upload. And that's going to either create new assets if they're brand new or update them if they already exist. Hey, real quick. Every company has goals and every company has tools like Jira, but almost every company is missing the middle. This is a system that connects your goals to the work your team actually does every single day. And without it, you end up chasing updates, sitting through status meetings, and wondering where projects actually stand. We call this missing middle the execution layer. And I recorded a free 90-second breakdown that shows you how the grid operating system fixes this missing middle. Links in the description below, and back to the video.